welcome back to my channel. I'm Michaela if you're new here. So as you can see, I have a new studio set up. I am so excited to show you guys how I got this set up. My family and I, we cleaned out our lower level and just like completely got rid of stuff. So there was this huge space and I'm like, this is mine. Like, I claimed it right away because I just like always wanted a little studio set up. And I always wanted to make a cute little background, and so I'm really excited to show you guys how I got this. It's super easy, super affordable. You can make it how you want. And so if you guys want to know how I got these like cute little fairy lights in the background and how I get this lighting, keep watching the video. Alright, so you're going to need some 4 boxes of lights, 2 boxes of sheer curtains, and some command hooks. And I'm using a photo backdrop stand, and I have my little rod here. And so starting off, we're going to take one of our first box of lighting, and we're going to make sure we test it out and make sure it works. And it comes in these little bundles, which is nice. And I got 4 boxes because we're going to actually connect each one, and I'll show you later how we're going to weave it together. So we're going to test it out because we don't want any burnt out lights. We don't want that. And we're going to take our command strips here, and I'm just going to start placing them. And I'm going to start hanging my lights. And then we're just going to place them a couple inches away. And I'm going to start weaving them. So I'm going to actually like let it drop, and I'll show you in a second what that looks like. And then we're going to start weaving them like a little loopy loops. See what I'm doing? I'm letting it hang and then I'm looping it around, and so it's going to make it kind of like a nice little effect when you put the curtain on top of it. And I'm just going to do that for the rest of the boxes. So like I said, we are actually going to hook each end together. As you can see, there's little connectors there, and so that's why you need 4 boxes so you can have enough to connect. But you can definitely do 3 boxes, 4, 5, do whatever boxes, how many lights you want. 4 was good enough for me. Do what you feel is right. And now we're going to test it out. Looks amazing so far, right? And I'm just going to adjust it because they do kind of, since they were coiled up, I just need to kind of pull them apart and just readjust it how I like it. And I did make it longer in the middle because that's where my seat is going to be, and that's where I'm going to film in the middle. And now we're going to take our sheer curtains and make sure it's sheer. And I'm going to take my rod and we're going to start pretty much just insert the curtain on the rod. And I would recommend 2 because 1, it was just way too sheer, and 2, just I think it just balanced it out really well. But you can, if you want 1, do what is right for you. I just want it to be a little thicker and I want it to be more balanced. This is what it looks like. You can definitely leave it like this. I think it still looks really adorable, but I'm extra, so I went to Hobby Lobby and got some floral decor. I saw these, thought they were so cute, and I'm literally just like throwing them over the rod and just kind of placing them how I think it looks cute. I'm focusing more in the middle because again, that's where I'm going to be sitting, and so I want that to be in the focus. And I just think it adds an extra girliness since I'm just a girly person, so I really wanted some floral and I absolutely love it. But you can do whatever you want. And you don't have to get white lights, you can do different colors, whatever floats your boat. And here's the end result of my backdrop. Super cute, right? But it's not finished. We need some decor. So I found this chair that was in my lower level and I thought it would look perfect. And I have this end table as well. It just goes really well with my aesthetic going on there. And just some florals that I found at my house. And I think it adds a nice little touch, a little more homey touch. And this is the end result, guys. I think it looks super cute and I hope you guys like it. And that's my studio setup. It's cute, right? I'm just so excited. I'm so excited to film more videos down here. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and put on that bell notification and subscribe, because next week I'm going to be doing a part 2 of this video on how I get my lighting for YouTube. So subscribe so you guys can be notified. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in a video. Bye.